Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. It's an unbagging now rather than an unboxing because it comes in the, what do you call these? The little envelope, padded envelope type packaging. This was actually delivered to my mailbox, not my front step like normal. I know a lot of times I get questions of people asking the weight of my packaging so then they can know if they're getting the same products, but I don't see a weight on this. I'm so excited about this because Ipsy has completely changed their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, not box anymore. Now it's a bag and you get to customize it by choosing 3 products, and they show you the 2 that you're getting and then you get to choose 3 more, and I really prefer that. My Glam Bag Plus boxes for the past several months just hadn't been well curated to me. I was getting a lot of products that I was saying that I didn't want, and so at least this way I have a lot of say in what I'm getting. And I can't remember what products I'm getting at all, but I'm getting all makeup products. I remember that, and that's what I want. I want makeup products from Ipsy, not the skincare and hair care as much. So I love that I get to choose mostly makeup. And I pay $25 a month for this, and I can't exactly remember the retail value that they advertise that you're supposed to get, but I'm going to be able to add up all of the values so we can find out just how much this is worth. And just a little bit more information as I start opening this is that I get all levels of Ipsy. I get the $12 Glam Bag, the $25 Plus, which is this right here, and the $50 Glam Bag Ultimate Box, which I did already get for the month of August, and I posted my unboxing video of that. I can have that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet, but I'll be posting all of my unboxings and unbaggings. I also get BoxyCharm. I get the regular BoxyCharm box and the Boxy Luxe box. So I love sharing my unbaggings with you all, and then I also do full dedicated review videos of all of the makeup products I get. I have a trying a new makeup product every day series, so they'll all be featured as part of that. And then at the end of the month, after trying all of the products, I do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products and all of my BoxyCharm products. So lots of videos that I am so excited to make. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload these unboxings, because I try and make them as soon as I get them in the mail, but I don't always know when I'm getting them. All right, so let's see how this is. This bag is so cute. Okay, I really like it. My first impression right now, and it has Ipsy in silver sparkly letters. It's a different shape. It's a little smaller than how it looked just in pictures, but I'm happy with it now. But if this is the same bag I get every single month, then I'm definitely gonna get tired of it. I hope that Ipsy changes this up every month, just like how they change up the makeup bags that you get every month. I do have a separate product that didn't fit in the bag that's in the envelope here. But before I look at that product, let's see what my card says, if I have any product information. No, same information on this card as the card that I got for my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, but this does have some specific Glam Bag Plus information on here, saying that you choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products from a made-for-you assortment of products that match your profile, which is interesting because I guess that means that not everyone gets the same choices, but on my choices, I remember seeing a lot of repeat products and products that I had already received before, but this does not say anything about having a certain minimum retail value that you get from your $25 Glam Bag Plus. But it says that you can make your customization selections September 1st through September 3rd. But since I don't have product information, I like to look up the Ipsy app to figure out my total retail value. But okay, let's start pulling out some products here. Seems like I have a lot, but I think I only get 5 unless they put my add-ons in here. There's definitely more than 5 products. So I have here the Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. Yeah, and this is not part of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so this must have been something that I redeemed my points for as an add-on. But whenever someone signs up through your referral link, which I always have in the description down below, or you review your products on the app, you earn points that you can redeem for free products. I like to redeem my points often when I see products that I want. And let's see if looking at this is something I remember redeeming for. Yes, actually it is. Now I remember. And this has some really pretty, like, muted, cool tone neutrals, kind of purplies. So this is fun. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes. So I will be doing a dedicated review video on this one soon. All right, this next product, ooh, such cute packaging. This is from Huda Beauty, Demi Matte Cream Lipstick that I got in the shade Feminist. And this is a product that is part of my glam bag. And let's find out the retail value on this. I really like that I can get Huda Beauty products in Ipsy because I can really save some money, because I do like to purchase Huda Beauty products, but this retails for $20. And then next up, Kiss and Smink Lip Crayon Pen in the shade Tavarua. This is another product that is an add-on. I never know which glam bag my add-ons are going to be added to, but so these add-ons are kind of making my first impression of this new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus extra great, because now I'm getting these extra makeup products that I'm really excited to try. Like, I have not heard of this brand before, and I love trying out new makeup brands, Kiss and Smink. But I'm not even going to swatch this yet. I'm gonna save all of my swatches for those dedicated review videos. But I'm so excited about this already because I have 3 really great products, but so far one of them is from my Glam Bag Plus. Ooh, this product is from the Glam Bag Plus. I think I remember choosing this. This is from Wander Beauty, which is another brand that I love. This is the Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. Now that sounds so fun. I have it in the shade Celestial. I don't know if this comes in different shades. Kind of looks like it has, yeah, like a highlighter stick right here, and maybe a separate squeeze out product, so like a 2-in-1. That's awesome. I love Wander Beauty products that are just multi-use, multitasking. They are so great. This has a retail value of $34. Really, really excited about that. So far, Huda Beauty and Wander Beauty, 2 brands that I love that I got in this bag. Next up, we have, the Kokie Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray, long lasting. This is a product that I got in my Glam Bag Ultimate box, and I think that might be my fault because I redeemed points for this. So now I have 2 of these to try out this month, or we'll try out 1, but I got 2 this month. Okay, I have so many add-ons in here, which hopefully you enjoy seeing the add-ons as well. I will let you know in a recap at the end what the products are that I got in my Glam Bag Plus versus my add-ons, because this is starting to get kind of confusing. But this is an add-on. This is from NYX. It's the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, which is what appears to be this dark purple shade. But I was so surprised to see a NYX product that I could redeem points for, and the Soft Matte Lip Cream, which I've tried out in other shades before, but not this one. And I've never gotten a NYX product in Ipsy, but I was able to redeem points for one, so I was pretty excited about that. I'm intrigued to see how that shade looks. Oh, and then I got another shade of the Kiss and Smink Lip Crayon Pan. This is in the shade Marietta's. So I have 2 shades of the lip crayon that I redeemed points for. Oh, this is a product in my Glam Bag Plus. This is from Ico London. It's the Black Magic Mascara, Drama and Curl. I think this is a product that Ipsy just gave to me. I didn't get to choose this because I probably wouldn't have chosen another mascara. I've been getting a lot of mascaras in Ipsy and BoxyCharm lately, and it's hard to keep up with them. But this seems nice. And I do love trying out mascaras. It has a retail value of $26. Next, I'll pull out Oh, this is another product from the Plus bag. This is from Ipsy, which is a brand that I'm familiar with just because of Ipsy. And it is the Loaded Lip Polish in a clear color, I think. Loaded Lip Polish in the shade Glaze. And this retails for $25. And I love trying out lip glosses. I'm wearing a lip gloss right now that I got in a previous BoxyCharm box, I think. It's the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss that I love. And then the last product is the product that did not fit in the little baggie here. And this is a big palette. And I really like the packaging. This is Venice Fling, Bailey Sarian, and Estate. So maybe like a collab. This retails for $30. Let's see how it looks. Whoa, these eyeshadow pans are huge. Oh my gosh, this eyeshadow palette is so much bigger than it looked online, but it looks so fun. I love these colors. Seems tropical, goes with the packaging vibes. You've got shimmers, you've got mattes. Oh, this is gonna be so fun to play around with. I'm genuinely so excited about all of the products and so excited about the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I think it's gonna take time to get out of the habit of calling it a box, but I love that I got all makeup products. So let me do a recap of everything that's in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we have the Estate and Bailey Sarian Venice Fling eyeshadow palette, the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, the Ico London Black Magic Mascara, the Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion, and the Ipsy Loaded Lip Polish. And that's a total retail value of $135 that I paid $25 for. All products that I am definitely going to use, that I can't wait to try out in videos very soon. And then for the add-ons that I redeemed my points for, so these are just free products basically, I have the Kokie Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray, the Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette, 2 shades of the Kiss and Mink Lip Crayon Pen, and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. So many awesome new makeup products. I'm very excited about this. I'm happy with the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus changes, and I'm hopeful that it just stays good, gets even better. I'm already excited to make my choices for next month because it really is a fun process. But I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus customization, what you got in your Glam Bag Plus, and I'd like to know if you've tried any of these products before, what your feedback is on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.